Hi, today I am going to explain how to cut with surface in SolidWorks. So this is the surface to cut, and after cutting the part appears like this. So let's start now. So I am in the sketcher mode now. So this is the sketch I have created. Select the sketch, go to surface and extrude. Extrude from both sides and say OK. Now go to cut with surface feature. I've selected the surface and say OK. And I can hide this surface now. So this is how the part looks like. Suppose if I want to cut the other side, I can simply flip this and say OK. So this is the simplest way to use surface to cut the part or any component. Thank you.